In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for Xiaomi G34WQi. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your desktop right here, right click on it, click on the display settings, and then you want to make sure that you have selected the best possible display resolution. Now, of course, this can depend whether you're watching movies, gaming, or more, but generally you want to apply the highest setting. But if you're more onto gaming, you want to apply 1440p or 1080p. Click on the advanced display setting and then select the highest refresh rate possible. From there, I've also prepared the OSD settings for your monitor. So just simply look for the on-screen settings and you want to click on it, and basically the settings will appear on the monitor itself. You want to apply this specific setting basically for picture mode. You want to use standard or game, brightness 70 or 85. You generally want to avoid high brightness to avoid eye strains when using your monitor, and this can depend on your room lighting. The contrast 70 to 75, sharpness at 50, refresh rate we've already tackled. For the response time, you want to set it to normal if maybe you're just watching movies, but if you're gaming, you want to use fast. For the FreeSync or adaptive sync, you want to turn this to on. The low input lag mode is going to be on. Color temperature normal or 6500K. Gamma 2.2, dynamic contrast is going to be off. Now this can depend whether you're more onto gaming, but you want to apply the black equalizer to 5 or 10 for FPS games, and the HDR is going to be off unless it's supported. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Get to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.